That's when we make it easy for your whole family to get affordable dental care in one friendly and convenient location. Located in your community, our offices are specially designed for kids and parents with fun activities to keep kids entertained so you can relax. We know you're busy. We save you trips to the dental office by scheduling your children and you on the same day. Our staff is trained to work with children as young as 1 and parents too. Cool Smiles makes dental care easy and affordable for the whole family. We're happy to accept most major insurance plans, including Medicaid, state children's health insurance programs, and TRICARE. We're always accepting new patients, so call us to set up an appointment for your family today. Cool Smiles, easy dental care for your whole family. Call us today for an appointment at Cool Smiles Dentist near you.
Buddy's Home Furnishings invites you to get into the game with new items for her and for him, including beautiful Ashley Furniture living room packages starting at only $26.99 per week, or a great selection of 32 to 60-inch plasma and LCD TVs at Buddy's everyday low prices. Buddy's Home Furnishings, your lease ownership connection for name brand furniture, TVs, laptops, tablets, and more. For more information, visit BuddyRents.com or call us toll-free at 1-855-3BUDDIES.
I chose Bryan College over other institutions because Bryan was a college that was more centered on the student and not so much the volume of students.
Corky, honey. Hey. Hey.